Okay, so as we arrive at our final topic for today, is strategic thinking and executive decision making, we integrate all the leadership foundation we have discussed into the core responsibility of executive leadership, making decisions that shape the future of the organization. At the executive level, decisions are rarely simple, isolated, or short-term. They involve trade-offs, uncertainty, and long-term consequences that affect people, resources, and institutional direction. Strategic thinking enables leaders to see beyond immediate concerns and focus on sustainable outcomes. Executive decision making requires clarity of vision, sound judgment, and disciplined reasoning. And this topic emphasizes leadership as a forward looking responsibility. It challenges leaders to move from operational problem solving to strategic stewardship. Strategic leadership or strategic thinking involves the ability to analyze complex environments, identify patterns, and anticipate future challenges and opportunities. Executive must interpret internal data and external trends simultaneously. And this include understanding market forces, technological change, stakeholder expectation, and organizational capabilities. Strategic leaders ask not only what should be done, but why and with what long-term impact. Decision making at this level requires synthesis rather than fragmentation. Leaders must connect vision, values, and strategy into coherent action. And this topic highlights the intellectual discipline behind effective leadership decisions. Strategic thinking transforms leadership from reaction to intentional direction. Executive decision making is distinct from routine managerial decision. It often involves ambiguity, incomplete information, and competing priorities. Leaders must decide without certainty while remaining accountability for outcomes. This requires risk assessment, scenario planning, and ethical consideration. Executive cannot delay decisions indefinitely while waiting for perfect data. Strategic leaders balance analysis with decisiveness. They recognize when to act and when to pause. No? This topic emphasizes decision making as both an analytical and human process. Leadership effectiveness depends on how leaders navigate uncertainty with confidence and responsibility. Another critical aspect of executive decision making is alignment. Strategic decision must align with organizational vision, values, and long-term goals. Decisions that deliver short-term gains but undermine values or culture create long-term harm. Executive must consider how decisions affect trust, morale, and institutional credibility. Strategic leadership requires consistency between stated priorities and actual choices. This alignment builds coherence across the organization. Leaders who make aligned decisions create clarity and direction. And this topic reinforces decision making as moral as well as strategic responsibility. Again, strategic thinking and decision making are collective processes, no, not solitary acts. No? While executive hold ultimate accountability, effective decision often emerge from collaboration and consultation. Leader must engage diverse perspective without losing decisiveness. No? This requires humility, listening, and openness to challenge. Strategic leaders create decision-making processes that are inclusive yet efficient. And this topic encourages leaders to build systems that support sound decisions. Executive leadership is not about having all the answers, but about asking the right question. Strategic thinking transforms leadership into purposeful action. With this framework in place, we will now explore strategic thinking and executive decision making in greater depth. Our presenter will discuss key concepts, decision-making models, and real-world applications relevant to executive and supervisory roles. This presentation will help us understand how leaders translate strategy into decisions that guide organizational direction. With that, I now give the floor to Mr. Aclao for the presentation of strategic thinking and executive decision making. Go ahead.
Good morning po, everyone. I'm Carl Christopher Aclao from BFAR 11, PFO Davao del Sur. I'll be reporting strategic thinking and executive decision making. Strategic thinking. Strategic thinking is the ability to analyze situations, plan ahead, and focus on long-term goals. It helps leaders understand where the organization is now, where it wants to go, and how to get there. Key elements of strategic thinking. vision and direction, big picture thinking, analysis and critical thinking, creativity and innovation, anticipation of the future, vision and direction. It means understanding where the organization wants to go in the long term and why it exists. Knowing the long-term goals of the organization refers to having a clear picture of what the organization aims to achieve in the future. Long-term goals guide planning, decision-making, and resource allocation. They help leaders and employees focus on what truly matters and avoid short-term actions that do not support the organization's future. Having a clear sense of purpose and direction explains why the organization exists, why direction shows how it will move forward. When purpose and direction are well defined, everyone in the organization understands their roles, works toward common objectives, and stays aligned even during change or challenges. In short, vision and direction provide a roadmap for the organization, helping leaders inspire people, set priorities, and make consistent, goal-oriented decisions. Big picture thinking. It means seeing the organization as a whole rather than focusing only on daily tasks or short-term problems. Looking beyond daily tasks and immediate problems involves understanding how today's actions affect long-term goals. Instead of reacting only to urgent issues, leaders consider future impacts, risks, and opportunities. This helps the organization stay proactive rather than reactive. Understanding how different parts of the organization are connected recognizes that departments, teams, and processes are interrelated. Decisions made in one area can affect others. By understanding these connections, leaders can coordinate efforts, reduce conflicts, and ensure that all parts of the organization work together toward shared objectives. Overall, big picture thinking supports better planning, smarter decisions, and stronger alignment with the organization and direction. Analysis and critical thinking. It involves carefully examining information to make sound and well-informed decisions. Studying information, data, and trends means collecting and reviewing relevant facts, reports, and patterns over time. Leaders analyze data to understand what is happening now and what may happen in the future. This helps in predicting outcomes and making decisions based on evidence rather than assumptions. Identifying problems, risks, and opportunities. Through critical thinking, leaders can recognize issues that may affect performance, possible risks that could harm the organization, and opportunities that can be used for growth or improvement. This allows the organization to address problems early, manages risks effectively, and take advantage of favorable situations. In summary, analysis and critical thinking helps leaders make objective, strategic, and responsible decisions that support the organizational goals. Creativity and innovation means involving developing new ideas and improving existing ways of doing things to achieve better results. Finding new ideas or better ways to solve problems means exploring different approaches, learning from experience, and using imagination to improve processes, services, or outcomes. Creative thinking helps organizations adapt to change and overcome challenges more effectively. Thinking outside traditional methods requires moving beyond the usual or familiar practices. By questioning old assumptions and being open to change, leaders and teams can discover more efficient, cost-effective, or impactful solutions. With this, creativity and innovation help organizations stay flexible, competitive, and responsive to new challenges and opportunities. Anticipation of the future. It means thinking ahead and preparing the organization for what may come next. Predicting possible challenges and changes involves observing trends, changes, and past experiences to foresee potential issues or shifts that could affect the organization. By anticipating these changes, leaders can reduce uncertainty and avoid being caught unprepared. Preparing plans before problem happens. Instead of waiting for issues to arise, Proactive planning allows the organization to develop strategies, backup plans, and response in advance. This helps minimize risk, reduce disruptions, and ensure continuity of operation. Overall, anticipating the future enables leaders to be proactive, resilient, and ready to handle challenges while sustaining long-term success. Executive decision making. Executive decision making is the process of choosing the best action from available options. Leaders use this skill to make important decisions that affect the organization, employees, and stakeholders. Key elements of executive decision making: information gathering, evaluation of options, risk assessment, timeliness, and accountability and responsibility. Information gathering is the process of collecting relevant and accurate data to support decision making. Collecting accurate data and facts involves finding reliable, up-to-date, and verifiable information. Accurate data ensures decisions are based on reality rather than assumptions, reducing the risk of errors. Consulting experts, reports, and stakeholders will gather information, and it is not limited to raw data. It includes seeking advice from knowledgeable individuals, reviewing research or reports, and listening to those affected by decisions. This provides a well-rounded perspective and improves the quality of decision. In essence, information gathering is the foundation for informed, strategic, and effective decision making. Evaluation of options involves carefully assessing different courses of action before making a decision. Comparing different choices means looking at alternatives available and understanding how each option could affect the organization. By comparing choices, leaders can identify which option align best with goals, resources, and priorities. Weighing advantages and disadvantages means every option has potential benefits and risks. Evaluating this helps leaders make balanced decisions that maximize positive outcomes while minimizing negative impacts. In short, evaluating options ensures decisions are thoughtful, strategic, and likely to produce the best result for the organization. Risk assessment. Risk assessment is the process of identifying and evaluating potential problems that could arise from a decision or action. Identifying possible risks and consequences involves anticipating what could go wrong, including both minor and major issues. Understanding potential risks help leaders prepare strategies to prevent or mitigate them. Considering the impact of each decision makes leaders assess how each risk could affect the organization, stakeholders, or operation. This ensures that decisions are made with full awareness of possible outcomes, helping to avoid negative consequences and safeguard success. In essence, risk assessment enables informed, cautious, and responsible decision making. Timeliness refers to making decisions and taking actions at the most appropriate moment to achieve the best outcomes. Making decisions at the right time means understanding when to act and when to wait for information. Timely decisions ensure opportunities are not missed and problems are addressed before they escalate. Acting quickly when needed, especially in urgent situations. During fast-changing or critical situations, prompt action is essential. Leaders must respond efficiently to prevent losses, manage crisis, and maintain organizational stability. In short, timeliness ensures that decisions and actions are effective, relevant, and impactful. Accountability and responsibility means taking full ownership of decisions and their outcomes. Owning the decision and its outcome will make leaders who are accountable acknowledge that the choices they make directly affects result. They do not shift blame or avoid the consequences of their action. Accepting responsibility, whether results are good or bad, means true responsibility is recognizing both successes and failures. This promotes trust, credibility, and a culture of learning. where mistakes are used as opportunities for improvement. In essence, accountability and responsibility ensures leaders act with integrity and reliability, fostering confidence within the organization. How these two work together? Strategic thinking and executive decision making are closely connected, each complementing each other. Strategic thinking defines the direction and plan, and also involves setting long term goals, analyzing trends, anticipating challenges, and identifying opportunities. Strategic thinking creates a roadmap for where the organization wants to go and how to get there. And executive decision making executes the plan through actions. Once the strategy is in place, executive decision making turns it into reality. Leaders choose specific actions, allocate resources, and solve problems to move the organization towards its goals. Together, strategic thinking provides the vision and framework, while executive decision making ensures practical implementation, turning into results. A simple example, in a government or organizational setting, strategic thinking will make planning to improve service delivery and resource management over the next 5 years. This involves analyzing current processes, identifying long-term goals, and determining what improvements are needed. While in executive decision making, it decides to allocate the budget, assign personnel, or adopt new systems to achieve those goals. This puts the strategic plan into action, ensuring resources are used effectively and objectively. Together, strategic thinking and executive decision making helps leaders by making informed and responsible decisions, use resources effectively, and reduce risk. Achieve long-term success and improve organizational performance. In conclusion, these elements provide a framework for smart, responsible, and impactful leadership. Thank you po.
Okay, so thank you for that well-structured, insightful presentation. One of the central messages that emerged is that strategic thinking is a defining competency of executive leadership. The presentation emphasized that executive must rise above day-to-day operations to focus on long-term direction. Strategic leaders view decision as interconnected rather than isolated, and every major decision signals priorities and values. Executive decision-making shapes organizational trajectory over time, and this reinforces leadership as responsibility for the future. And strategic thinking separates leadership from mere administration. The discussion clearly highlighted the complexity of executive decision making. So leaders often carries uncertainty, conflicting interests, and pressure from multiple stakeholders. So the presentation emphasized that effective decision making does not eliminate risk, but manages it intelligently. Executive must weigh alternatives while considering potential consequence. Now, strategic decisions require both analytical rigor in judgment. Leaders must accept responsibility for imperfect outcomes. This reality underscores the courage required at the executive level. Decision making is exercised in accountability. Another important takeaway is the role of data and analysis in strategic decision. The presentation emphasized evidence-based decision making while acknowledging its limits. No? Data informs strategy but does not replace leadership judgment. Executive must interpret information within broader organizational and environmental context. Strategic leaders balance analysis with intuition and experience. And this balance improves decision quality because executive leadership involves disciplined reasoning, not a guesswork. The presentation also reinforced the importance of ethical consideration in executive decisions. Strategic choices often involve moral trade-offs that affect employees, communities, and syempre yung public trust. Leaders must evaluate decisions not only by outcomes but by alignment with values. Ethical decision-making strengthens legitimacy and credibility. And the presentation emphasized that unethical shortcuts undermine long-term success. Executives must model integrity in decision-making processes. Ethical leadership is inseparable from strategic leadership and values-guided responsible decision. Another key insight is the importance of stakeholder engagement in strategic decision-making. Executive operate within networks of influence that include employees, partners, regulators, and communities. The presentation highlighted that inclusive decision processes improve understanding and acceptance. Engaging stakeholder does not weaken authority but enhances decision quality. Leaders who listen make more informed choices. Strategic leadership requires managing relationship as well as resources. So, decision-making becomes more resilient when diverse perspectives are considered and collaboration strengthen execution. This discussion also emphasized learning as an essential component of executive decision-making. Not all decisions yield desired outcomes, even when made truthfully. No? The strategic leaders reflect on outcomes and adjust future decisions accordingly. The presentation highlighted the importance of feedback and evaluation because learning-oriented leaders foster organizational adaptability. This mindset prevents defensiveness and blame. Executive leadership involves continuous refinement of judgment, and decision-making improves through reflection and through your own experience. So, again, strategic thinking and executive decision-making represent the culmination of effective leadership practice. And this topic integrates emotional intelligence, values adaptability, and vision into purposeful action. Executive leaders are defined by the quality of their decisions and their long-term impact. Strategic leadership requires clarity, courage, and syempre responsibility. As leaders, our challenge is to think beyond the present and act in service of the future. Okay? This topic completes our exploration of Executive Leadership Foundation. And again, great leadership is measured by wise decision and made with integrity. Okay? So